guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW E46, this is the 3 Series from 1998 to 2006, and your windshield washers, okay, the spray washers do not work, guys. We'll show you which fuse is for the washing pump. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, okay, on E46 platform. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below and let us know if the video is helpful or if you have any recommendations. So, let me show you now how the washing system doesn't work. So, we have this 2005 model here. It doesn't matter if you have convertible or sedan, the procedure is the same. So let's go ahead, put the key in. Okay, and we're going to test the washing system. Okay, see now. Wipers will work. Okay, the wipers will work, the washing system will not work. Nothing. So let's turn the ignition off. We're going to get the light. Open the glove box now. Right here you have two white things that you need to turn to the outside, drop the box out. You have two rows of fuses. The one in the middle, this is your spare fuses, so that's very convenient. The numbers for the top row are printed on top, the bottom, right here on the bottom with black numbers. It's hard for me to show you. Now, the fuse that we're looking at, guys, for that system now, it's fuse number 50. Okay, let me check it again. Fuse number 52. So we get the fuse puller, and it's that fuse right here. Grab it, pull it out, check it, burnt. You can check out, guys, in the description of the video below to see where we get our replacement fuses from for really a very good price. So please do check it out. And now let me go ahead and install this one. I'll need to install it with the left hand because it's right next to the fuse puller there. Okay, perfect. Now I'll go ahead, install the fuse puller here, and the moment of the truth, guys, will be to see if it works. So let's close everything, and now we're going to see if the washers will work. Let's check it out now. Okay, I can definitely hear, yep, right there. They're definitely working, guys, so that definitely took care of our problem. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.